So now let's look into HLOOKUP. So we saw earlier, like VLOOKUP. It's all about like how we fetch the details when the datas are arranged vertically. So HLOOKUP is horizontally, the datas are available. We need to fetch these details, right? So I have so many data. So like what I do now is I'm going to fetch the details this time for ice cream. So it's horizontally data are available. So let me use the H lookup. So H lookup, here we go. I just press tab button and then I look up for Sam and then press comma. Just follow the instructions over here and then table array. This would be my table array, right? This time it is horizontally chosen. So let me choose. Okay, this is one way of choosing, but I prefer always choosing this way. So just go here, select, and then use your shortcut keys, Shift, Control, right arrow. Okay, so it chooses the details for you. So you see, Victor, 153 ice cream consumed. Okay, so I want to know the number of ice creams being consumed by these students. So after I choose the table array, I'm going to press F4 and lock it. So it's made sure that I'll be choosing the data from this table array. It is fixed. So now I just choose the row index number. So student name will be number one row. Pizza will be like number 2, burger 3, chicken nugget 4, fruit ball 5, ice cream is 6th row, right? So I'm going to type 6 here and then type comma. I will now choose false match, right? I mean false. This is exact match that I'm looking for. Some people type 0, or you can also choose among this option that is being available for you. I just click false. I want the exact match. So let me click on false. Close the bracket, press enter. You see 85. Okay, so 85, Sam 85. So oh, Sam is in the first column. I can see ice cream, it's 85. So likewise we can also find out for others, but here you know what, now now that I have to find out the details for Raj, Mickey, Andy, Kevin. Again, Andy, it's a duplication vector. So I have a lot of details here, so it would be difficult for me to copy paste. So I just drag this button or just copy paste. Remember, I pressed F4 here to choosing the table array. So when I drag and drop this is very much useful. It gives me the details. If I don't press F4, then I won't get the details here. So that's the benefit of pressing F4 and making sure that you fix this table. All right, okay, so when I've done this, let me cross check now. So Raj, 26 ice cream consumed. So where is Raj? Raj is here, and this row I can see 26. Wow. Likewise, if I want to find out for other details, like I can make sure that all the details are available for us. So this is how horizontally, when the datas are being put up, you can fetch the datas. So just use HLOOKUP and you will get all the details over here. So I can see, I'm just scrolling, not using my shortcut keys. 153 here. Okay, so let me press Control Home. I can see Victor 153. So all the details are available. So the difference is like if the data are vertically arranged, I can use the VLOOKUP. The data are made available for us in horizontal form, then I can choose the HLOOKUP. Thank you so much. Hope this video is useful.